Hello and welcome to this Cult Live HIIT session with me, Rishabh, your coach. And joining me today is my tribe, Karthik and Gurpreet. I would like to start the session by saying a big thank you for showing up and sticking to the commitment of being better every day, even if it means working out from your home. Let's work out together and get closer to your fitness goals. We will start the session with a quick warm-up followed by 15 minutes of the main workout, 3 minutes of core and conditioning finisher, followed by a cool down. Now, for all the new athletes, you're going to be following Karthik on my left, who will be doing the scaled down version of the movements. And for all the advanced athletes, everyone who's been working out for quite some time, will be following Gurpreet on my right, who will be doing the scaled up version of the movements. Before we get started, keep a bottle of water and towel close by, and let's begin with the warm-up. The warm-up is going to be 30 seconds for every movement, and we are going to do 2 rounds of that. Alright, so we start with the half viper. I'm going to show you how that looks, and then we are going to do the warm-up. Alright, so you lie down on the ground, hands by the side, raise your legs up, move it towards the left and then towards the right, and you keep alternating. That's your first warm-up movement. Your next warm-up movement is going to be shoulder tap. So you get into a raised plank, raise one arm off, touch the alternate shoulder, the other arm off and touch the alternate shoulder. And you keep repeating. For all the new athletes, if you find this difficult, you can do the same thing, knees down. Alright, your third warm-up movement is going to be the beast reach. So you get into the beast hold, quads underneath your hips, arms underneath your shoulders, get your hamstrings to your calves and then extend the hip. But while you extend the hip, I want you to raise one leg off the ground and then alternate. Alright, for all the new athletes, if you find it hard to raise that leg off the ground, you can do the same thing without raising the legs off. Alright, we are going to be doing this 30 seconds every movement and repeating it twice. So let's begin. Get down on the ground, half vipers. In 3 seconds, we do the half vipers. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep alternating on either side. Keep getting that good twist in your lower spine. Work that core, really activate it before we start the workout. For 30 seconds, I want you to keep your arms by the side, nice and firm on the ground to give you that support. Alright, keep going. It's just 30 seconds. Totally up to you, your comfortable range of motion. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's move on to the next movement. Shoulder tap. You get into the raised plank. And then in 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Let's go. Karthik, you can do the same thing, knees down and shoulder tap. Alright, very good. Amazing. If you find this hard, you can do what Karthik is doing. Okay? Keep your abs tight, head to toe one straight line and keep going. Do not let your hips tilt around. That's good. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the next movement. Beast reach here. And normal quad rockers is what Karthik will be doing. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hamstrings to the calves. And then lift your right leg up when you extend your hip. Alright, keep going, keep alternating, lifting the leg. And for all the new athletes, this is the simpler version. Keep going, guys. That's a good warm-up. Let's go. Good job. Keep going. Amazing. Keep your abs tight. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, now that your body is ready for the main movements, take a few breaths, get a quick sip of water, and let's jump into the main workout. The main workout is going to be 30 seconds of all-out work, 15 seconds of rest, repeated 5 times for each of these movements that I'm going to explain to you now. The first movement is jump squat. So you start with your feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back and down at the same time, get back up and do a small jump. Now for all the new athletes, you won't be doing the jump, you just do the regular air squat. Alright? The next movement is jackknives. So giving your abs a lot of work. You need to lie down on the ground, arms extended outside, and then crunch your abs to get your hands closer to the ankle. Alright? That's the jackknife. For the new athletes, we are going to be doing regular crunches. Okay? The next movement is going to be high plank jacks. So you get into a plank, the raised plank, arms under your shoulders, head to toe one straight line, jump out with your legs and then jump in. You keep repeating. For all the new athletes, you do the same thing without a jump. So you step out and then step back in. Alright, you're going to do this for 30 seconds. Your next movement, fourth movement, is alternate uppercuts. So you get into, keep your feet comfortably apart, hands up, and then you're just going to keep punching all the way up. Yeah, and you keep alternating it. That's what you're going to do for another 30 seconds. Alright, let's begin the workout. We're going to start with the first movement, which is jump squat, and the scaled down version is the air squat. Let's begin in 3 seconds, feet shoulder width apart. 3, 2, 1, let's go for 30 seconds. Good job, good job. 30 seconds on. Great stuff. Keep going, keep pushing. Good job. You don't really have to push too much right now because you're just getting started. So let your muscles get a little more warm before you start pushing, alright? Keep pushing, keep going. And 3, 2, 1, stop. A 15 seconds pause before you do this again. First round up, you got to do 4 more rounds of this, alright? Great job. Just getting started. Take a deep breath. Have some water if you want. And in 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Good job, guys. You can push up the intensity a little bit now, okay? It's totally fine to increase the pace in your squats, alright? Even if you're not jumping very high, I'm okay with it, but I want you to release your legs off the ground just a little bit, okay? Keep going. Good stuff. Chest up, keep your chest up, make that effort. Be very, very aware. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. 15 seconds of rest. If you want to have some water, now is the time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Recover. Come back stronger for the next round of jump squats. And in 3, 2, 1, let's begin, guys. Let's go. Come on, Gurpreet and Karthik. Great stuff. Keep breathing throughout the movement. You don't have to hold your breath at any point in time. Great job. Really good. Making you strong, building your endurance, a very powerful movement. Keep going. Good stuff. Your chest up. 3, 2, 1, relax. 15 seconds of rest before we move to the next round of this movement. Great job. Going good so far. I'm sure you're getting warm enough to push more intensity. Relax. 3, 2, 1, and go. This is your 4th round. I want you to push a little more. Alright? Let's go, guys. This is not going to be a very long workout, so I want you to push. Push more intensity. There is no going easy in this workout, alright? High intensity interval training. Short burst, quick workouts, more results. Let's go. Push, push, push. Come on, come on. 4th round. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15 seconds rest, and then I want you to do your last round. Now, since it's your last round, I'm going to ask you to push, okay? I'm going to ask you to push in this round. Relax. Deep breathing right now. Take it easy. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let's go. I'm going to ask you to increase your pace this time. For all the new athletes, stay in your comfort area. There is no need to push today, all right? Keep going. Great workout. This is an amazing workout. I need you guys to push. Come on. No giving up now. It's your last round. I know it's getting tight. I know your quads are burning. But you got to push, all right? Come on. Keep going. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. Great job, guys. You're going to get your 15 seconds rest, and then you get into another movement, which is jackknives, giving your abs a lot of work, all right? 15 seconds, and then we do jackknives, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off for 5 rounds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, down on the ground. Jackknives here, just the regular crunches here. Let's go. Let's begin. Let's go, guys. 30 seconds. I need you to push. I need you to feel that burn in your abs. Come on, keep going. Just the regular crunches here. If you find this getting too hard, you can always switch to the scaled down version. But keep moving, okay? Keep going. Let's go, guys. People doing the crunches, I want your feet firm on the ground, okay? 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job. First round down. Come on. 15 seconds rest, and then we come back for the next round. Good stuff. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, guys. Just the regular crunches. You just need to crunch a little bit. You don't really need to push yourself on that. But on the jackknives here, I want you to push. Let's go. Come on, guys. Keep going. Keep pushing. Great stuff. Great stuff. Almost there. No giving up. 3, 2, 1, and stop. 15 seconds rest. And then we start the next round. A lot of good work for these abs, right? Good job. Almost done with your rest time. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, guys. Third round. I need you to push. Come on. Feel the burn in your abs. Keep pushing. Really crunch it. That's nice. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. If you're tired, that's fine. You can stop for a little bit, but I want you to keep pushing. Let's go. Almost done. No stopping. You can slow down. 3, 2, 1, and time. Relax for 15 seconds. Take some good rest and come back stronger. Alright, when you're doing it, if you think it's getting too hard, you can rest for some time. That's fine. You can rest for a couple of seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Alright, last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Again, keep moving. You can move slow. That's fine. You can move slow. I want you to feel the burn, but I want you to keep moving. It's just 30 seconds, right? It's just 30 seconds. Keep going. When you're tired, you can just lie down for a bit, relax, and come back to it, yeah? Let's go. Keep going. You're almost done with it, guys. No stopping now. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Stop for 15 seconds. Good stuff. Relax. Take it easy. It's your last round. I want you to push, alright? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Last 30 seconds. It's just last 30 seconds. You gotta push. Just a crunch. Just a crunch. Good job. Keep going. If you're too tired, it's okay. You can take it easy a little bit, but keep moving, yeah? Keep moving. It's all about movement. Good job, guys. Good job. Keep going. Keep pushing. Come on, Gurpreet. Come on, Karthik. Come on, all my athletes. Come on. Keep pushing. Last round it is for your abs. For those abs, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and stop. You're going to get your 15 seconds rest before you do the high plank jacks. 15 seconds. Take a deep breath. Have a quick sip of water. Come back recovered for those high plank jacks. Again, a lot of core work, all right? 3, 2, 1. Get into the raised plank and let's begin. 30 seconds. Good job. Your hip low a little bit, Gurpreet. Good job, Karthik. Keep going. Come on, guys. Keep pushing. One step at a time and keep jumping here. Great stuff. A lot of good work for your core here. Also pushing your heart rate higher with those jumps. Keep going. Good job. 3, 2, 1 and stop. First round up. I need you to take a 15 seconds rest and then come back for the next round. Good job. It's the third movement of this entire workout. Great job, guys. Doing great. All right, down in the plank again. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going. I know it's getting hard now, but that's the idea, right? You got to work out. You got to work hard for it. Come on. For that stronger core. Your hip down, Gurpreet. Good job. Good job. You got to be more aware of your form, right? You got to be more aware of the technique. And if you think you're losing it, it's okay to take some rest because technique comes before everything. 3, 2, 1 and time. 15 seconds rest. And after that, we do the next round. Good job. You good, Gurpreet? Are you good, Karthik? Feeling strong? All right, 3, 2, 1 and go. Let's go. Good job. Keep pushing. Great stuff. Good job, Karthik. One step at a time. You can do it nice and slow. Your hip down. That's nice. Like I said, you got to be more aware of your own body. And if you feel tired, you can rest for a little bit and then come back to it. Yeah? Just rest for just a little bit and then come back to it. That's totally fine. Good job, Gurpreet. Keep going. 3, 2, 1 and stop. 15 seconds rest, guys. 15 seconds rest. You're doing great. You're doing amazing. I know it's a hard workout. It's also a short workout, so I need you to keep pushing on it, okay? It's going to be high intensity because the workout is short. And 3, 2, 1, go. Plank jacks again. Let's go. I want you to push. I want you to feel that burn, all right? I want you to continue. Come on. No giving up. Your hip down again. Keep your hip down. Keep your hip low. Feel the burn in your abs. Let your heart rate go higher with those jumps. All right. Keep going. Keep pushing. Come on, Gurpreet. Great stuff. 3, 2, 1 and stop. Good job. Good job, guys. You're almost gonna get done with it. It's the 15 seconds rest and then it's your last round. Okay? It's your last round after. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go. Let's go. It's just the last round. I want you to really push. I want you to keep your abs nice and tight. I want you to keep your glutes nicely squeezed in and engaged. I want you to push right now. Okay? Last round. Keep pushing, Gurpreet. No giving up. No giving up, all right? Keep going, Karthik. And keep going, all my athletes. Come on, get back to it. Get back to it. Yeah. If you feel like resting in between, just don't rest for more than a couple of seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1 and stop. Great stuff. 15 seconds rest and then we do the uppercuts. All right, 15 seconds rest and then we do the uppercuts. Same, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Now these guys are pro boxers right here. They're really going to enjoy those uppercuts. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, now that's your game. Yeah, look at that. Let's go. Match that speed. Great stuff. Good job, guys. Good job. A lot of power into those punches. Now, if it looks like just an upper body movement, let me tell you, it's not. Because the power is generated in your hamstrings, in your glutes. It transfers through your core and gets translated out through those punches. Let's go. Keep going. 3, 2, 1 and stop. Great stuff, guys. 15 seconds rest. Are you good? Gurpreet? You good, Karthik? Yeah, great stuff. I'm sure you guys are enjoying these punches. Yeah? 3, 2, 1, and go. Those uppercuts, nice and strong. But what's important is that you keep your core tight, keep your abs tight, your glutes tight also. These should be nice and tight punches, very, very nice and controlled punches. Good job. Keep pushing, guys, keep pushing. A lot of rotational work happening right here. Great for your obliques. Good job. 3, 2, 1, and pause. 15 more seconds, 15 seconds rest. You guys are doing amazing. 15 seconds, that's it. And then you come back to doing those uppercuts. 3, 2, 1, and begin. Let's go. Nice and tight. I want to see that rotation happening. Good job. I want you to feel that power being generated in your lower body, alright? So keep your legs very firm on the ground. Yeah? Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. Keep breathing. Breathe out at every strike. Breathe out at every strike. Good work. Keep going. No stopping. 3, 2, 1, and stop. 15 seconds rest. And we come back to these uppercuts again. Great stuff, guys. You guys are doing amazing. So proud of you. Hang in there. Let's finish this workout strong and together. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Great stuff. Nice and tight punches. This is your 4th round. You're almost done with it. Almost done with this workout. So I want you to push. We're just going to have a very quick short workout after this, but you're almost done with the workout 1. Great job. Keep pushing, keep twisting those obliques. Good stuff. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and stop. 15 seconds rest, and then we do the last round. Okay? Great job. 15 seconds, have a quick sip of water. I want you to move for these 30 seconds. Really, really nice and tight. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Push hard. Good job. Good job. Good stuff. Amazing, amazing. A lot of power in those punches. I'm sure you guys are enjoying it. Good job. A little more time. Hang in there. Don't give up. I want you all to push. Keep going. Keep going. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Now we are going to move to the cool down. All right. While you take a little bit of rest after your workout, I'm going to explain the stretches to you. So our first stretch is the quad stretch. Since you've done a lot of squat jumps today, you get into a split stance. I want you to push your hip forward as much as you can, keeping your spine tall. We do this for 30 seconds on either side. After that, we do a seated single forward fold. All right. So seated single leg forward fold. I want you to sit down on the ground, fold one of your legs, and then reach out to the extended leg, keeping your chest up. This is going to stretch your hamstrings and also give you a good stretch on your lower back. Once you're done with this, you repeat this on the other side. The third stretch is going to be the seated straddle. So I want you to sit down, extend your legs, keep them wide apart, keeping your chest up. I want you to bend forward as much as you can. All right, you're going to hold that for 30 seconds. The last stretch is going to be thread the needle. So I want you to get into the child pose, extend your right arm out and the left arm towards the right. Hold this for 30 seconds and then we repeat on the other side. All right, we start the stretch with the first stretch, which is the quad stretch, for 30 seconds on either side. In 3, 2, 1, get into the split stance and extend your hip forward, keeping your spine tall. That's good. Hold it for 30 seconds. Keep breathing. I would ideally like you to keep your breath deep and slow. Relax. Amazing. Find your balance in this stretch. Good job. In 3, 2, 1. I want you to switch to the other side. The other leg forward and stretch. Let's go. 30 seconds on this side. Great job. Push your hip forward as much as you can, keeping your spine tall. You need to find your balance. Great job. With all that lower body work, your body deserves this stretch. Good stuff. 3, 2, 1 and done. I want you to do a single leg seated fold. So I want you to sit down on the ground, both the legs forward. After that you fold one leg behind and reach out to the other. Alright? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. We begin the 30 seconds now. Keep your chest up. Keep your spine tall. Great job. As much as you can. If you cannot reach out to the toe, that's totally fine. You can reach out to the knee, you can reach out to your calf, shin, whatever. But make sure that you get that stretch on your hamstrings. This is a really good stretch for your lower back as well. In 3, 2, 1, switch the side. Switch to the other side. Let's go. And reach out to the other leg. Chest up. Amazing. Good job. There is no problem if you cannot touch your toe. I just want you to be comfortable at the range of motion that you are comfortable at, right? Hang in there. You need to feel that stretch in your hamstrings. So if you're still not feeling it, maybe push a little more. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, change. Now we are going to move to the seated straddle. So you've got to sit down on the ground, extend your legs, keep them wide apart, keeping your chest up. I want you to bend forward as much as you can. Great job. That's good, Karthik. Amazing stretch. Reach out forward with your hands. Walk forward with your hands. If you're able to keep your chest up, that's fine. Really, really good stretch for your groin, also for your lower back. Very helpful for your lower back recovery. Amazing. Stay calm, stay positive. You had a great workout. 3, 2, 1 and switch to thread the needle. So I want you to get into the child pose. Extend your right arm out, right arm overhead and your left arm towards the right. You can drop your left shoulder down to give a good stretch to your deltoid. Also, I want you to stretch the right arm forward so that you get a good stretch in your lats. Very good stretch this is. Amazing. Keep breathing, stay very calm, stay very positive and keep your breath deep, nicely deep and slow. Amazing work. Great job, guys. And in 3, 2, 1, switch. Very nice. You've had a great and amazing workout and now is the time to empty your mind and relax. Great stuff. Just the last 30 seconds of this stretch and then we are done. It was a short workout, but I'm sure very intense workout. Great job. Keep breathing deep and slow. You're almost there. Good job, guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and you're done. Awesome job, team. What an intense workout, I'm sure. Your muscles must be feeling the fatigue. Make sure you rest up, hydrate and eat very, very healthy. Remember to be consistent with your workouts and do take good care of your health. On that note, we are going to sign off for today. And if you know the drill, you got to say that with us in 3, 2, 1. We are Cult. Alright, we will see you in another session very soon. Bye bye.